Today we're going to be taking a look at a clear protective case by CASEBORNE for the brand new Galaxy S24 Ultra. This case has been military grade drop tested up to 12 feet, and it also comes with 2 free tempered glass screen protectors. And you're definitely going to want to stick around to the end of the video because I will be doing a drop and a scratch test to see how durable those screen protectors are. And by the end of this video, you'll know whether or not this case is right for you. And if you guys want to pick it up, I will also be putting links in the video description. So let's get started. So here is the clear case. Looks really nice. Again, we get 2 free tempered glass screen protectors and our installation packets. Let's see how much this case weighs. 52 grams. And here is the case. The case does have a hard polycarbonate backing with our Magsafe built in, and it's surrounded by a softer TPU material. Let's put our phone inside the case. Fits the phone really nice, feels good in the hand. It's got some grip to it as well as some texture on the sides to help with grip. Buttons are also easily pressable, nice and clicky. If we look at the case from the side, you can see that it does have a raised edge on the top and the bottom of the case. It also doesn't add a lot of extra bulk to the phone, but does add some protection. In the corners, we also have these little airbag bubbles to help with drop protection. We have some textures on the side to help with grip. On the bottom, we have our cutouts. You can very easily access your S Pen. On the other side, we have that same texture with some lanyard holes, our power button, and our volume buttons. On the back, shows off the color of your phone really nicely. It doesn't seem to pick up very many fingerprints, which is definitely a plus. So it keeps your back nice and clean and shows off the color of your phone. We have our Magsafe ring built in, and we also have some slight raised edges around our camera lenses as well. Looks like a really nice case. Now, if you do have a Magsafe accessory, such as this power bank here, you can clip it right onto the back, and it immediately starts to charge your phone. The case also has a nice strong hold on your Magsafe accessory as well, so you don't have to worry about the Magsafe accessory just falling off the back of your phone. This case also works with regular wireless charging as well. You don't have to have a Magsafe charger for it to work. So that does seem like a really nice case. This case also does have UV layers to help keep it from yellowing over time as well. So I like the way that it feels in the hand. I like that it has the extra corner protection and the Magsafe built in. So now let's install that tempered glass screen protector. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to thoroughly clean off your screen with the alcohol wipe. I would leave the case on your phone to act as an installation guide. Then dry it off. Then take one of your screen protectors, making sure the camera cutout is going towards the camera on your phone. We're going to peel off the underside protector and then just install this on your phone the best you can. The screen should start to adhere to your phone immediately. And you can kind of help it along with your finger as well. And I do have a couple bubbles on the screen that I'm going to get out with a squeegee. So let's take a look. So installation wasn't horrible. It definitely could have been lined up a little better with installation guide, but it does seem to fit pretty good on the phone. There is a gap all the way around the screen for case compatibility. I was able to get those few bubbles out. I did get a little piece of hair underneath the screen protector at the bottom, but it seems to fit pretty good. We also do have a cutout for our camera on the top. As far as the touch, feels nice and smooth, just like the glass that's on the phone. As far as fingerprints, it does pick up very minimal fingerprints. I don't know if you guys can see that. And you can very easily just wipe those away. Now let's test out our fingerprints. Fingerprints are working perfectly fine. And if you're having problems with your fingerprints, just re-register your fingerprints after you install the screen protector and maybe turn on the sensitivity for the display. I really do like these buttons on the side. They're very easily pressable and they're very clicky. Makes it very easy to find on the case. As you can see, the screen protector is crystal clear and touch is working perfectly fine. You can easily access the bottom of the phone as well as the top. And now let's see what the screen looks like looking through the lenses of polarized sunglasses. As you can see, there's really not much of a rainbow effect, which is definitely a plus. So if you're looking at the phone pretty much straight on, it's pretty clear. Very nice. Now let's test out our S Pen. S Pen seems to be working just fine with the screen. There is a good bit of resistance as well, but there's no issues using the S Pen. So everything's looking really good so far. Now let's move on to the scratch and drop test. So we're going to be dropping a 2.4 ounce steel metal ball at a starting height of 2 feet. If the screen protector doesn't crack, we'll move it up foot by foot until it eventually does. So let's start off at 2 feet. Moving on to 3 feet. Moving on to 4 feet. 4 feet. So the screen protector lasted up until a 4-foot drop. Now let's move on to the scratch test. So regular tempered glass starts to scratch around a Mohs hardness number 6. So we're going to start off with a number 5. Then we'll move on to a number 6. And then a number 7. So let's take a closer look. You can see there are no scratches at the number 5. There are slight at a number 6 and a little deeper at a number 7. So scratch resistance seems to be pretty standard for tempered glass. So installation for the screen protector was fairly easy. It also seems to work well with the in-display fingerprint sensor and the S Pen. It also seems to be case friendly. It lasted up until a 4-foot drop, and scratch resistance seems to be pretty standard for tempered glass. So this definitely does seem to be a pretty nice clear protective case. It does include Magsafe as well as a couple free tempered glass screen protectors to protect the front of your phone. And again, if you guys want to pick this up, I will be putting product links in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.